Jiangxi Yuhao Technological Ltd is a professional manufacturer of recreational yachts. Yuhao series leisure yachts of the company use imported special engineering plastics with advanced integral molding process production. The product appearance design is beautiful, and the seat is in line with human engineering mechanics. Follow the higher safety concept through the EUC certification, selling well at home and abroad. Yuhao series yachts are suitable for all kinds of scenic spots, resort hotels, parks, beaches and farmhouses. Provide tourists with leisure sightseeing, barbecue, water restaurant, water chess, water fishing and other special tourism projects.